Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Mazda CX-5 navigation system. First, ensure you have the correct SD card for your vehicle's navigation. Then, download the Mazda Toolbox application onto your computer. This software is essential for managing and installing map updates. It's a straightforward process that will keep your maps current and accurate for your journeys. To begin, carefully remove the navigation SD card from its slot in your Mazda CX-5. Next, insert this card into your computer's SD card reader. It is highly recommended to create a backup of your current navigation data before proceeding with any updates. This simple step ensures you can restore your previous maps if needed, providing peace of mind. Now, open the Mazda Toolbox application on your computer. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Once inside the application, it will recognize your SD card. You can then view and select the available map updates. Choose the latest version to ensure your navigation system has the most current information. Once you have selected your updates, allow the Mazda Toolbox to complete the download and installation process. This may take some time, so please be patient. After the update is finished, safely eject the SD card from your computer. Finally, reinsert the updated SD card back into your Mazda CX-5, and your navigation system will be ready with the latest maps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.